Hello everyone! I am about to go through 3 splash pad locations in Northeast Florida that I personally believe are crawler approved. Let's begin. This is Lasco Park. This is the splash pad, and this is the toddler playground section right here. Not much to it, but it works. Rebecca absolutely loved grabbing the leaves off the ground while she was here. She did not like that large thing in the background that sprayed out water. I think the pressure was just too much for her to handle as the water was falling down from it, hitting her. Hello everyone, so this is the splash pad for the little kids. You push this button. Oh, I'm done. Give it a second. Unless it's this button. Okay, I got something going here. There we go. It's starting up now. Looks like this one's not working right now. Oh, it's starting up. We're good. There it is. And that's it. I like this splash pad slightly better than that last splash pad that you guys saw because first off, there weren't leaves all over the ground. And number two, there wasn't anything at that splash pad that made Rebecca uncomfortable. We're at the Slam Splash Pad. Only because my friend Laura has a pass. That's cool. That's a splash pad. Keep in mind that if you go to this splash pad with someone that lives in Fleming Island, or if you happen to live in Fleming Island and have access to the splash pad, well, you see, the thing is, the splash pad tends to not be working quite often. Thankfully, during the day that I was there, it was working for me and Rebecca. Things I like about the splash pad is that it's covered up, and I absolutely love the ground as it's not too hard on any crawler's legs. I like this picture in particular that I'm showing you because Rebecca absolutely loved that particular spot. She was there for a long while just playing there. Well, you know what, guys? If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.